We're here at the demo cage area of WireCrafters in Louisville, Kentucky. Just wanted a couple of minutes of your time today to talk about our light curtain posts. So what you can see here is that we've developed a system that you're able to recess your light curtains into the actual posts themselves. Now this is fantastic news because, as we all know, light curtains get damaged in the field, they get knocked by elbows and they're put out of misalignment, or they get destroyed by forklift trucks, and this gives us a much greater degree of protection. We can manufacture the posts to suit your particular brand of light curtain. So whichever brand you're actually using, we can make the fixtures and the fittings to actually suit the light curtains, and that's all suitable with the ISO standards and the 1508 standards for robotic cells. So nobody's going to crawl underneath the bottom of these things. They're going to be absolutely fine in place and meet the appropriate standards. So if you need to talk to us about our light curtains, go to WireCrafters.com. You can find the details on machineguarding.com, or speak to your local representative from WireCrafters, and we'll be more than happy to send you details and get you priced up for light curtain posts.